Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a secret weapon used by top salespeople everywhere, monthly spiffs. Now, you might be thinking, spiffs? What kind of 70s slang is that? Well, hold on a sec, because understanding spiffs can be the difference between just hitting your quota and absolutely crushing it. So, if you're in sales and want to take your game to the next level, buckle up. What are monthly spiffs? Let's break it down. Spiff actually stands for a bunch of different things, all with the same basic meaning: Sales Performance Incentive Fund, Special Performance Incentive Funding Formula, or Sales Promotion Incentive Fund. The bottom line? Spiffs are short-term bonuses offered by companies to motivate salespeople to achieve specific goals within a set time frame, usually a month. Why do companies use spiffs? Think of it like this. Companies have sales targets, and sometimes they need an extra push to get their teams over the finish line. Spiffs are like a shot of adrenaline, a way to incentivize salespeople to go the extra mile, close more deals, and ultimately boost the company's bottom line. What kind of goals do spiffs target? Spiffs can be designed to encourage all sorts of sales behaviors. Here are a few common examples. Increased sales volume. This is the classic spiff. Sell X number of units this month and get a bonus. Upselling and cross-selling, selling additional products or services alongside the main one is a win-win. Spiffs can encourage this behavior by rewarding salespeople for exceeding the base sale. Reaching new customer segments. Maybe the company wants to break into a new market. A spiff program can incentivize salespeople to target these new customers. Clearing slow-moving inventory. Got a product gathering dust in the warehouse. A spiff can motivate salespeople to get rid of it by offering a bonus for selling a specific amount of that product. What do spiffs look like? Spiffs come in all shapes and sizes. Here are a few of the most common rewards. Cash, the most straightforward option. More sales, more money in your pocket. Gift cards, a nice alternative to cash, offering flexibility in what salespeople can buy. Prizes, think trips, gadgets, experiences, anything that gets your team excited and motivated. Recognition, a public shout-out or a spot on the Salesperson of the Month board can be a powerful motivator, especially for competitive teams. The pros and cons of spiffs. Spiffs are a powerful tool, but like anything else, they have their pros and cons. Let's explore both sides. Pros. Increased motivation. Spiffs can be a huge motivator, pushing salespeople to achieve their best. Improved sales performance. By incentivizing specific behaviors, companies can see a real boost in sales. Teamwork and friendly competition. Spiffs can create a sense of camaraderie and friendly competition within the sales team. Cons. Short-term focus. Spiffs are best for short-term goals. Over-reliance on them can create a culture of chasing quick wins instead of long-term strategies. Unsustainable costs. Companies need to carefully manage the cost of spiff programs to ensure they're financially viable. Focus on the wrong things. While spiffs can encourage selling, they can also lead salespeople to prioritize getting the bonus over building genuine customer relationships. Making spiffs work for you. So, how can you leverage the power of spiffs and avoid the pitfalls? Here are some tips. Align spiffs with company goals. Spiffs should be designed to support the company's overall sales strategy. Set clear and attainable goals. Don't make the spiff target so high that it demotivates your team. Communicate clearly. Make sure your team understands the spiff program, the goals, and the rewards. Track results. Monitor the effectiveness of your spiff program and adjust it as needed. Spiffs can be a game changer for salespeople looking to boost their performance and income. By understanding how spiffs work, their pros and cons, and how to leverage them effectively, you can take your sales career to the next level.